Moko-chan! You did it! I did it! Yeah, I hit 200 sneezes together with you here! Wow, 200! Hi! I love the grumpiness. The tips of Sir Charles' ears!
Oh!
Yeah!
He does have tips that flip. Is this part Maine Coon, I wonder?
Wow, Sir Charles is so unique. I'm sorry to interrupt Callie-senpai. Unfortunately, that was just Moko-chan's 200 sneeze.
Oh my god. 200?
I did it for the cat!
Oh my god, sneezing. Do you know?
Sneeze 200!
Oh my goodness. Ooh, 200. You've been counting how many sneezes?
The ruffians have been counting.
Dedication. Wow.
Wow. Well, Moko-chan, actually, I searched it up, ruffians. And this officially means that Moko-chan used this 200 times on stream within 197 days from debut. Wow. And that's one stream. Yeah, I sneeze the most often. Right. That's something else, right? Are you okay, Moko-chan? Yes, I think so. Yeah. くしゃみ助かる。よかったね。もう200回超えてるからね。200回も助けてる。Well, congratulations, Moko-chan. That's nothing to sneeze at, right? Road to 500. Oh, well, Moko-chan, since you know this is a very special moment, can you make a speech for us? A speech? A speech? A sneeze? Hi. Do you want to hear a sneeze speech? Yeah. Ruffians. To commemorate the 200 sneeze. Well, I don't know, maybe it's a bit silly, but to me, I think that hitting 200 sneezes is, I don't know, it's a pretty big deal. So, I'm happy. 200 sneezes is a lot of sneezes, okay? Yeah. It's silly, but it means something to me. It means something. Moko-chan, do you have any hopes and dreams for your sneezes in the future? I think they're not gonna stop, so look forward to more, huh? That's all I can say, okay? You heard it, Ruffians. Look forward to more sneezes. And in turn, more sneezes, too. Yeah.